Satem na nya pa logo and na yes Satem ni ye adwumaden because I remember say I should compare at that time to this time and then come can say kra na ye ni listener because that time no na utimi hu say oh some ya me study me am monitor me hwa ade no timi say yes ade ni ye great na nyame adom ade ya gina so atimi abepem sa bele we say Angel FM brand bi a ABN brand no brand bi a meka say ayi na ye build empire bi na ye build so for mente takrade ai satem ne takrade nyina na kire say na ade a na kire say kama pam na mekai say sablen debi satblo wuduru ayi takrade kromu a Angel, share. Satam near beer angel water crada but na entimi nyai. Hable no, ufa yeta crade, Cape Coast beer, ojiemre, and I will be a nim. Nya palo go ha. Satam your budjumading. Satam ya nominati. Satam ojiemre out TP hours. Mama jat was 2 times. This na yes a logo na focus na maje. Na say yes a logo ka satam ne just sa awards no. The Ghana omo ayi bi wa for leadership ayi. Masa nyina na say nipa agigum. A say na utim no say Angel na say na yensa pa logo. Sebi ne enya concept ha. Na ye mo kola emeye frukutu ewa ha sei na ye bo adwumaden ne ye bo adwumaden I remember say satam ye de yekoto ayi a omo de hwe listeners ayi eso me refi said omo si frɛ we sei no ya na omo de hwe radio omo tie pa for radio listeners ye da so one of the best ayi ojiemre oh e ba na news oh na my friend say hima oh na a friend say Obama chese what say aten a solid team a chese what me say adwuma ne ayi no adwuma kama a chese ye didi mu a enkakra na adana ye bebie Angel no Dr. Kwaku Aten ade ye call hotel bi wo airport me person be hotel ni din e ma ye nyina satem no the big 8 ye nyina ye call sa hotel ho I remember say ye call hotel ho no no sofiti ke kwa na driver me e de call ye na ye kodu hotel ho ye kokoda ho na ye se ye na ye ni di na ye nyem fana papa na ye nya abotere na first no ye mfa me start say ye nya ye team ni nyina enti afa ye bia no ne ye mfa nkonkoye me kai sa no ma we nyina ne ye call ye kwaje ye ni amanfo to mo bo ase edidi sa atam na DJ Willie na eye efe ne say Papa Shamo na eye Obama na ye ye friend ne say Kojo Dixon na afa ohima we ye je na me ne ye 8 na captain good enti ne ye 8 ti no mo frɛ 8 angels sa time no obi a hyehyɛ ne white na kyerɛ wotimi no sɛ ade no solid na ye call ye say apankom hye bi ba ho me pa kyɛw ominim sɛ ene obi etie pa sɛ general manager bekai Dr. Kwaku Aten bekai na afei great man bronzy CEO bekai ohima wo ye gyawo bekai satam no team na ne ho ni nyina I hope so obi abekai captain smart bekai pa afei DW bekai Papa Shamo bekai na afei nipa asable no na oye ayi a na wodi ye yanim Mrs Amwaten Stacy Amwaten ono na sabe no odi anim ono kwa na lidi de ko hotel ho or de aduane besisi ho serve yourself udi na kese wo ye ayi akama na kire se wo ho no ma na table no wo no na de ye kode ye ba that motor k edi animu kai sesesa so in fact ye feel na ye gi ani sa time no man for enjoy pa na me kai enti eya na Dr. Baho oba ho ba besna yen because ade be chem ya bie ya yi ano enti oba yesi apen wo ka so we de woni adi nkoma wi a yenje 20,000 na yemfa ento ye ho na we dey obi amfanya ne pocket money say like wabedi die wie wo kwa start adwuma no pay nti obi anyi to yenyi 20,000 na ke say enipa 8 om kwacha 20,000 a mbacho obi abenya say obi abenya more than 2,000 because enipa 10 kola na obi abenya 2,000 Ghana cedi right dina baba beka 4,000 so nya 2,000 baba beka 4,000 nti 4,000 no ebi aye na ebe ye adwin so enipa stress ebi amonche so anase ebi asei tina kire se obi a wanya wo so nya 2,500 Ghana cedi na kese wode ehye eye o hafa na wode show butom enti anu kokoso no sa bele na yi ba ho fe ne sei Kwame Adinkra eba ho ebesrae because of na ye bebie ayi na no nti ono nso ba ehobi na sa bele ye de yakwakoda ho na Kofi Adoma nwanwani sa bele no nti na kese eye 8 no said na be can be become repeat wo hema din no nti na kese 8 Kofi Adoma be kai se me ya make pa nti wana me kan se me raise yi bi ba se ne edidi nkomo na me raise yi be se angel no de ewo ho ya ba adwuma obi anim se nye kete ne be sa aye ya adwuma den na se aye akono na obi eba angel na mom je mpasa me kan nyina ne se ye de nyame asam ne ye de total angel de 15 angel from ase ye ni menje afem ache ye started from Kumasi started doctor ye me akasa me brother ye started angel ache ba me nya hwehwe animu eti no men we need time for say na we le kwesi hwan le kwesi me ye madwuma bi a me pon be kom ba enti no ye kwa na ka se enti no ya ye adwuma na ache nyame adum ye nyina ya ka bom obi obi a ye star nyame nhira mo pa na captain mienu ya no mo nante ye den ti de me sere nyina ne se ye de nyame asem na di kanti de me sem nyina se ye koi monhwe na mo ankotu nuru ye ntunuru ne de awrade kwa awrade bedi ye nanim na ebewie ye yie monyeme so amen e wa na captain paja na esa e no se sofo wa ka sempa o na mimi se atesa mimi se mimi tu he me ayi kra anwanse no se ntati akra mimi ni bi me ayi sa na me de nam I hope someone am o nyina mo be kai sa se Stacy be kai Kofi Adoma woni wo be kai ye Kojo Dixon JM wo be kai wahema wo ye je wo be kai Dr. Okuaten wo be kai CEO Bronzy wo be kai I hope someone kai sa no ma we se nyina Papa Shamo na DJ Willie me simu nyina mo kai sa enoma we nyina kama because enna eye afe pepepe enna enkomhye no aye adwuma enti no because ase wo tu aduro na se de nyame ayi na aye na aka so de aduro na wo de ba ba ayi a wanhwe ya na ye bedi afe no ento se ye be celebrate ye 1 year no na oni pakro na won ka ye ho ampanso ye celebrate ye 1 year yi captain won ka ye ho te se wa firim na aka ye yo eye na egina hai na se ye bo adwuma yi so ye bo so adwuma ye koso Minkasada. Yes, Minkasada. I don't have time to talk. But what I'm saying this afternoon is Ebra captain, ye wadino. See ye wadina so person will bear duma mu biewa. Dear ye nimune say. You just over find it the right way. No wasaba. But time na kasa ko trefe just 30 days. Ye person ma woni say angel fam no ni ABN obi amro mrase. E kasa ko tenafie for 30 days. 30 days in so na se hia wa ye be flew eno ne de ye letter no eno ne de ye de ma wo but wo kwatena ase na so wa bi TV station adwuma de ye bobra ye bokọ yanim enhyanka awrade din Dr. Kwaku o meka sai angel tiefo bia angel FM workers obia no okaspa kasa eye efan sai adwuma wura ena de CJM de ohwa adwuma so wa ha se on kire letter nim na mom wo mo boss ma ne nchirem ana obechem de kire tiefo de ntia eye menua captain wo ye de be wo de free angel afede say there I think say yesterday was say we say wo no ma angel wo be wa me listeners afen so wo na wo ma ye Facebook ye radio ye nya Facebook o eno ne ade deceive ye na eye angel fans say FM enya angel Facebook ti o Facebook die na Facebook ba da bay Facebook die wo ye be deceive because viewership am pe no metima nya Facebook enso na nya sa na nete enipa me yensa betuma be nya Facebook ba me metimi ama ebia ye hu ni say ye nipa be 1,000 ye ka listeners ye ka tiefo so wo mutie eno asam na me ye da be making it is like say captain opeso che say time na ntu ba ye na radio no ye akono anti no a door wo kon anti wan kasa wo ba ha be flame ne metena ase wo office ade ama wo satana start adwuma bomba baso kasa papa ye say the angel dear ya for be bia wo greater Accra we are one of the best suffer we can kuda and we say bomba baso at the president Kofu Akura baso bod ya bere me sa ada no sa oni nyina na eti and dia captain wo call ya wo say ye radio station o ba ye no na wo ma ye listeners say na aguo afa ni yes ebe start wo ba ye na aguo ye because wo be na asomdwe ni ha and na we se wa kame we fashion we ho anwan wo be say bibia collapse bibia but Dr. Kwakwati obi a ono we businessman to kuta adwen ti na wo so onya abotere se nyanyame a enka wo free angel famase no enka wo ne Dr. Kwakwati kwa keka wo ne ono akasa ne ba offense we si wo ka aka wo mutiri bom ama wo mienu kom ntam tete hwa dabia me ka asem radio so me se wo ne wo bi namo a na se wo no ka asam kokoam di sia ada wo bubefuo no de me ye hunu se you are mature person say ada wo bubefuo no don't mention it I know you hunu say you are mature person but it's all no be nam wo tua wo ka told ya nyam wodi ada na ekọ na ma 20,000 captain be si na me wo de wo fai me de wo fai be de wo wan fa ma me o fai but na wo so wo sika wo ho nkyere wo da but me wo fa me sika na me soma nkura we be 2 weeks time ka chan nkura say wo nkura yi ne ayi mo sofo bright wo yam dance ni wo na wo de 1,000 share wo nsam no okay and I'm can say wonya yi won fa man kwa no mfa nkodidi na wo ma boys no 1,000 dia kan wo fa di ti asam ne yo and am pesa me kai bibi kire nyame ma na wo se wo no obi nante wo no obi twempena wo no obi wale wo no obi fa adamfo wo koye obi adwuma obi beje wadwuma na sam ntam tete ya keep the secret shut up keep the secret shut up. Come on, Tom. Captain. As some way out of ya catch us all the dimple in fast time. And to Jaitina fear. No fashion and answer we say, as some way a case. As some way a case. I saw them 20%. I saw them you 20%. Obina Biana Juma. And what that is, what in no matter. And warrior Juma. And was the man your way, no your way. And why was it in a 30 days? You see how you create. Wo de baby abeya adwuma wo be free bia wo create problem de to na wo ma be ye otamfo wo free adom ya atamfo adom mu e be pem ne wo free angel fam engu me say tata ma na angel fam gina so Ghana na nya kumase o angel 96.1 satam na efanse Kwame Adinka Jola kan sports Kwame Adinka na morning show o mu nyina gya adwuma angel fam da so e be pem ne angel fam da so ewuri e da so wo ho engu e da so wo ho engu Kwame Adinka call ya no okwa no asomdwem no and Kwame Adinka say adwuma wo ABN this sports Obama Sadiq no ya adwuma wo Angel Kumase ofiri ho ba Accra ya ba ya because so ya peace ayinti no and ya ba ya sabe adwuma wo Angel ha radio adwuma we kwa ha ade cha we kwa ha and na we timi fa ha but obi akwa obi akomporto ne self after the Dixie free offense peace FM wo ba Angel but obian kan peace asem da but ada ye bi radio we ano no the reason why man tena makam na nam so na me ferry do you know the reason why na me ferry because the way na nam wo ye station na wo free wa ba no it's like say na offense say adom sa na angels eye adwuma what kind of I hate that you know me nipa wo mabrabom and obi a wo free ba bia wo free ho na ye toma wudin die wo se ho ye ba wo free ba bia pete collapse wo so wo kuta adwene we wo tim na ye radio ni a amwaw wo bia ye nyefe I'm telling you so wo no be father for na mu jadam for fa time na no ye wo no ya adam for no and some no tan kokom wo ni jadam for fa ye me kan ni pam me wa fi buku bi ye fa ne de ba se master killer wo se de yi As one head and card, you know, but not just fun chain, no be who say no worker. Said Dr. Kwatin to attacks. She said, what free hand tickets over Gua, Nipa Domwa. Angel has a feed you no. Namka see a phobia Musun Sabiwana, no so no so. Quanaka Nyankotrioka. Angel good da. Never. That you, Missy Bia Juma Market four. No more, you know, a giant one day. And good. That I'm here watching it to Angel Kumasi. And good. And good. Tamanam ya a program of force. Satam kana a your friends away. The Okan you see Miami Bay was international. Satam kanam kon be shame Jimmy bag di wuram. Typical be was international say was a wabere. And then ya saba be shawa. Ya enya na 3 days ni ya start preaching radio so. Ya start preaching radio so nya na 3 days. But ye free ya kwa ya ba ya fa ya say. But what you keep the secret. No adwuma. This is the professional. But you know we friend mama what person we want to front adwuma ngu. Dr. Kwaku think one word. Great man bronze car one word. But nana ugina na we grant interview. Nana ugina say we see Saturday or Sunday say yes say we no judge adwuma na yem fire adwuma. Captain say the truth. I can read the letter here. Captain no judge adwuma. What judge adwuma be? Ha? Yam pese besa wo carry adwen papa wo yetirim. Adwen pa e wo Dr. Kwaku tirim. And was so dear. Kwasumdwem. But say since as so person chata wo no judge adwuma dia captain. You no judge adwuma. Ye wadi. Ye wadi. I'm part of the letter. Ye wadi. And I know ye wadi. Ka kin ne ka pepes no kwa wo me mo se sie. Ka na wo kuta se sie no. Ni kiss first and what do you call ne pepes. Ene nayi e wo mo se sie. Ka no kwa sa fabra. Because one to me anya adwuma dia. E was all the car na faba. What kind of what is captain? Adanam yasomo yen. Adai. We free baby ani abo ayi. Your friends ya party. Adai. Wo tie me. Minim sa wo tie me. Ana wo hwe mo Facebook. But me person me catch na wo say. So we nipa dwen. So we adwuma baby a na so free ho nipa da so ye adwuma ho. Hwe yie and one wa adwe so person adwuma ningu. All because we free ho nti. Wo kuta what is adwen papa. So what is that? Ayi Kofi Adoma so de oye money show enko. Na no mu twitwa yi. Kofi Adoma Facebook. Na makotwa kat Facebook. Na mo de toto ayi say. Na we dey say. Na ye radio na ye Facebook. Yeah, Facebook. Oh. Yeah, radio. This Angel FM, not a fancy Facebook. What are you talking about? What you say? Oko bustu your fancy Facebook. Na nipa be I know your radio. Huh? Yeah, Angel FM and Angel Facebook. Kona kwa chake ansasa ube free ase no ayina a month last 2 months de na ba ye no kona kwa chake ne fatoto money show you who say e fa ne say na wo da say adai say wo free say radio na gu nti ente ene ene ye wo mu ha ho. What are you talking about? Huh? Ade na mu free baby a na mo pese mo say ho su baby wo radio fo bi mu a it's not good. Go find my free friend say adom and about a tina fee, Manchester can just one word, and we are doing have, and that's a good market of a circle. I don't have from Obitmako. But who won't mean call? And we are you say, and that's now we are you say. So I didn't would the day and this before. A bit and I would debate DMP for them people for mommy a smarto. What attacking penny for Mesha walk up him so women be as I'm a Dasana mechanica. Yana for Sabi you. Sabe, what make Captain Smarter? What them say you holy? Captain Smart, when you're Christian. You are not a Christian. You come and preach every morning, but you are not a Christian. You are a hypocrite. You are a hypocrite. Trust me. You are not a Christian. That's the reason why I say, so now Benyanaka, what to me ko catch them, doctor catch Bronzy say, some me man fled mama, won't ye Juma. What? One year Juma. Oh, Baba told me more. My age more for 10 solid years. Because when man in Chiana, my spirit of Pitan no spirit and uncle. It is something my question come. MPP near this. You took my picture. Now when the suffer bit here. And when no suffer no casam. I'm a mo. But one showing picture on TV. You took my picture on TV. Radio station me preach here. TV me also. You took my picture on radio and the TV. On Facebook. To destroy my image. Can someone mean you what do you mean? Who are you? What you mean you are ketua? Captain Michel Bebre, what you mean you are ketua? And I know you are in your school. Nano ya, and your school. What you mean you are ketua? Michel and Fium. Huh? What are you talking about? No more motiti actually. Now the one telling you Obibeti. If I'm not listening, angel, Obibeti. If I not come to my program, Obibaba. Just said your word, me say, Ghana is a serious country. I could be able to take Captain Smart. I'm telling you, if Ghana is a serious country, there's no one, a single person, can listen to a friend like Captain Smart. Ah! No single person can listen to you. Now Ghana is serious. Ghana is serious. Ghana is a serious country. Into so timbe didi o mampanyina temwa obagidi. We insulting panyimfo a obagidi. That is Ghana for you. Into Ghana no so baba no obagidi ti obagidi a President Akufo-Addo atem. Listen. So obi ye bibi na woni na adwene enkwa a. Enya atem didi e yo mampanyini. Wo ye ne driver crowd captain. Ka betu hu. And was I a panyini? Yes, I your politics. Yes, I need journalism to insult people, to insult leaders. Di Muhammad Tam Satam or two, circle for them. Kabayan is saying, Tisania says, ya disikabi brawa, and one woman. Now, man for free say, now I go for the better say, how many years in it? It's 5 good years. 5 years in here. That in a war kind of to this President Nana Akufo-Addo, Estate. And you're there a war kind. A friend was asking. No. Ya nyap ya mo brasa. So obedi obi atem. Asay obi na wo dia peja. Ya mo brasa. So what is nku anim. Enemi gina Nyankopon to me so. Ana make a captain. So obetie me as my younger brother. Tell me your command so obetie me a. Such a wedding. So be Yesu achi di Yesu achi. Uni Yesu achi nso a, hunu ba bia wugina bre. Mini so ba be ya no, wo be ya no amecho de ntia me se, wo be di Kristo achi di Kristo achi. Uni Yesu achi a me ehunu. Na me wo ye no eye nya atwom. Wo ye greedy. Anya Ghana na wo fight ama Ghana. Wo fight for your stomach. Let me tell you. You are not fighting for Ghana. And because of your deceiving people. No one nimo. Opa ko radio station bi a captain akosoda. Na pa obi onim captain. Ne busa ni suba o de tebe do ni TV so. What? Anya san ye wo kasa radio so nya san na wote. Beware. Beware. Anya san na wote. I will tell you. I hate that nonsense. I hate that hypocrite. And will be billions of cities to build this radio. Billions of cities to build this radio. You chawka say. Who see in chawka? Send your chawka. And Amenka. Send your chawka. We go to Master send a doctor them out. For your transport, for your fuel. We give you 10,000 for your fuel. Kumasi to Accra. Na pray crap fuel send digum. It one more be abaso a yes say no. Na mo to nam Facebook. Na mo twetwe nsam phone kru asesam. say ya tom wo eno na de Ghana bedu sabre obi afiri ba bi opese ho hwe fom eno ne ye ne ye build wo man sa se we na ne sofo be na nte ofiri o sofo no de o so ofiri awurade ofiri sofo no ho a o mfiri awurade o kwa so ne no ofiri ho no ma no da so no we ayi ko enfiri awurade one ni pass me sinam one ni ja nantia what is say even when it come to even a marriage what the doctor ayewo pa Captain Smart the wayewo but ene was one year here you have money who is calculating no wo ho nkyere wo da Captain you know ho nkyere because say radio adwuma nko na wo ye de anka ho betima kyere wo but enye radio adwuma nko na wo ye if your income is only from radio and ka wo ho betima kyere wo but you know your sources. That's the reason why I was on channel with that. Many a friend say, see what you cry. You feel plan we see ya. Satan I got to me started more. You call see what nam. See what I am about. Oh, respect me. Dr. Okwati, well, my brother, but or friend me papa. Or respect him. And I'm so Captain and to about bay. I'm also on the phone. I need to know them because I need the speaker out of them in here. Over about bay. Oh, say. And then I say, oh, but no, now watch it. But then I was saying, hey, this is serious. An angel. You are destroying our image. Say, yeah, an angel. Angel. You don't know angel. Angel, like I said, that's the reason why you will see. So if you can destroy angel, you are selling us. Maybe I am a catch now. Minim sa wutie. Omba yo jodium. Don't reply. Conform. Na so so bie wa yi a. Se wo be fa workers na otu omuka. Okay. Now what you why? You're 3 years. What are you 1 year pet? I give you 1 year. For workers 10, Chiomoka. Just 1 year. Na ya jumano. Na enyina was say ya for 1 year. But the moment you do. I speak as a man of God. I give you 1 year, Captain. For workers 10, Chiomoka. Na yamani nyina was say ya 1 year. And can you be a juma? Because you are found a juma muno. Nakas when you be or fair juma or far workers or to show much. Because if we be far workers not to show much, just come to Angel and go to what do you call it? Adam and go to Kumasi Force FM and go to the what do you call it? Otek. Men cash. But nipa brewaha. And a woman Angel ya IFA. Tiantina ho Dr. Okwata on Angel sika no wodi. Ba ya de ha na edidi. Tiam ha mesai no. Unipa konso se hawa keka de obeka. Asa na meka no no akasa nim sa na meka no. No kwa na beka che na wie. Uti ababo. Oba repama meba second one. And no dia me de ayi na beba evidence am de beba. What is that? Now oba yes oba bo corner e de begina yi e be sesa yi so na nipa be hwe Facebook and radio na nipa na omutenya no ma yi yafiri ho. We are better than radio not Facebook. So Dr. Okwata you interested e wo my Facebook and koko Facebook we de bay e koko twa e ye Facebook enko bia Facebook kwa me radio. What is that? Yes, someone you yan nipa be ba ya adwuma omukọ but dem omutimi koba because dem entia because of say onipa ni free ha e ya adwuma ne ye what my free and what me aqua, what in fellow, but all free baby up at all go.